So when I first got started in amateur radio, I thought to myself, wow, this is pretty hard. Now, I'd done all of the theory, I'd passed an exam. I thought, right, all of the hard stuff is out of the way. I can pick up my radio and I can start operating and I'll know exactly what to do. Well, I found out pretty quickly that that wasn't the case. I was confused by a lot of the acronyms. I was confused by the jargon, what functions on the radio to actually use, what they actually mean and how they actually operate. Antennas, I had no idea on what antenna to actually use. How do I actually improve my signal? Why am I having problems? All of these sort of questions I was asking. And at one point I thought, well, this hobby isn't for me because I'm not going to understand all of this. I'm getting frustrated and I just don't know where to go or how to go forward. Well, the thing is that ham radio actually isn't all that hard. It's just not taught very practically. We focus a lot on the theory side of things and passing the exam, but we seem to skip over sometimes the practical applications of ham radio. And once I started learning things step by step, how to make a contact, how repeaters work, how antennas work as well, and what antennas work, radios, the functions, the things that you need to look for, the things that you can ignore. As a beginner, this just started to make sense and it actually clicked. I didn't need special gear. I didn't need to be smart. It was just something that just came a lot more naturally. So that's why I came up with the ham radio in 30 days, zero to hero. It is a course designed for beginners to help you. And it's full of everything that I wish that I had when I started. There's no assumptions. There's no jargon overload. In fact, it actually explains a lot of the jargon and there's no pressure to know everything. And it's designed to take you from your first QSO or contact, getting on the radio, through to becoming a confident amateur radio operator. So rest assured, if you're feeling stuck, you're feeling overwhelmed, or you're feeling unsure, ham radio doesn't have to be hard. I'll leave a link below in the description so you can check it out.